First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Take the quick selection tool and select the dress like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Now open filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here increase the blur radius to 9 pixels. Click OK. Open file and choose save. Here name it as displays. Press save. Click OK. Delete the smart filter. Now go to file and choose place embedded. Select this design image. Click place. Adjust this design in this manner. Press enter. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Open filter, distort and choose displace. Here set the horizontal and vertical scale to 50. Click OK. Select this displace PSD file. Click open. Now go to blend modes and choose screen. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust this underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.